Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 3032E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300E front end loader and also the John Deere 370B quick attach rear backhoe. Backhoe is subframe mounted, so you can easily remove that backhoe if desired. So again, it comes as the complete package here: tractor, loader, and backhoe. The bucket here is quick attach. Somebody also folded a hook up front here as well as a ball hitch there, so it's a nice extra feature. Tractor is in excellent condition, paint's in nice shape, does have the canopy top on it, has the ag tires, and again the backhoe is subframe mounted, and it is quick attach, so you can easily remove that backhoe. Joystick controls there for the backhoe controls. If you're looking for a clean loader backhoe, this is going to be a really nice fit. Very low hours on the machine. I believe it only has like 150 hours on it the way it looks here. It does have the factory warranty, which runs into 2025. It's a very nice buy here. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.